Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 side hustles for introverts with anxiety. So let's get right into it. The first website we're looking at is for Petion. I believe that's how you say it. Um, on this website, you can earn extra cash from home. Working to earn extra cash every month without leaving your home is possible. They offer the opportunity for you to become a tester for websites and mobile applications. So, what is a remote application tester? Basically, you're going to explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet, send a positive and negative feedback. Once your feedback is reviewed by our moderators, you're done. In order to understand the difficulty that users encounter on websites or mobile applications, companies need help of outsiders who test it as if they were real users. So, this is where the tester comes in. Since they don't work for the company, they don't necessarily know the product or service well. They don't know the specifics, complicated vocabulary either. They are the real user, comfortably installed at home. They ask testers to follow an established scenario and to note the problems they encounter as they go along. Things that are not clear, possible bugs, all without leaving their home. And if you want to become a tester, you'll click there. So basically, a lot of people have trouble using apps and they want you to test certain apps. You're going to talk about the trouble that you experienced. And if you don't experience trouble, you're going to talk about that too. So if you're wondering what this scenario looks like, let's look at a test scenario. Okay. For example, let's imagine that you're doing a test for American Airlines. The scenario could consist of several steps. Download the American Airlines app on your smartphone, install it. Look for the first class ticket for your London to New York trip tomorrow afternoon. Enter a promo code. Contact the company to ask a question. Create an account to make the payment. In general, the scenario stops before the payment step. During these steps, you may encounter difficulties. You will therefore have to give feedback. Take a screenshot of your screen at the time and explain in a few lines what bothered you about this interaction. Now, on this website, I noticed that they didn't list the pay, so I did some digging around the internet, and each task pays differently. So you can get between $5 and $20 per task. It's going to depend on the complexity of the test scenario. The second website we're looking at is user testing, and you get paid to test websites. You're going to boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. It's easy, fast, and simple. Share your perspective on products and experiences and make money for doing it. You'll enter your email here to get started. How it works: influence the biggest brands, latest technologies, and innovative companies while earning money online in your spare time. You will apply here, submit your email, and take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. Then browse, test, and then make your money. Earning opportunities, surveys, simply answer a set of questions without screen audio or video recordings. Complete on any device for a flexible way to earn. Complete recorded tests, complete tasks while speaking your thoughts out loud with screen audio and sometimes video recordings. Tests are taken on mobile or desktop devices on your own time, or have live conversations. Um, Chat with the user testing customer via video call. During this designated time, share your thoughts about products and experiences. And you can test for all of these different businesses. As far as compensation for user testing on this website, the reward amounts vary for each test. I did some digging around online and I've seen where it said that some tests are $6 per test, $8, or $10 per test. The third website we're looking at is userinterviews.com, and they connect researchers and participants. Get fast access to quality participants or earn money by participating in studies. Let's scroll down. How do you do this? These are their testimonials. They use powerful panel software for scaled user research. Explore the research hub. Now you want to earn money by participating in user research. You're going to sign up as a participant. We're going to click there. It'll bring you to this page, and you just sign up, enter your email and your phone number. So you're going to create a profile, apply to the studies, and they'll notify you if you qualify, confirm your time slot, participate, and get paid. I did some digging online. This is one of the higher paid websites, and it says that they pay between $50 and $150 an hour for you to participate in these studies. And the fourth website we're looking at is Userlytics. Join us to shape the future of the user experience. Test, earn, repeat. Become a vital part of our global community dedicated to enhancing usability worldwide. User testing software has never been easier. Whether you're at home, on the go, or wherever you prefer, you can contribute to the insights by using your phone, tablet, and computer. To sign up, you'll enter your email. You must be 16 years old or older. 3 steps to start testing. Provide your email to join our esteemed global network of testers. Once signed up, make sure you fill out the profile details. Next step is test and share your thoughts. Answer screening questions to align with the testing opportunities that match your skills, including web site usability testing and mobile app testing. Your insights help enhance products and services for top tier brands. Then you'll earn money, receive compensation for each completed test. Easily track your earnings through your test feed with payments conveniently processed every 2 weeks via PayPal. You'll click there to start testing now. I did some digging, and this is one of the higher paid websites. They pay between $5 and $90 per test. Now, it's very important to point out that these 4 side hustle gig websites are not meant to be a primary source of income. However, you can use them how you want. These are side hustles, side incomes. So I'm not suggesting that you're going to get rich. Okay. The other thing I want to point out is if you stack the apps and sign up for all of them and use them simultaneously, your chances of making more money will be greater as opposed to signing up just for one app. So I highly recommend that you sign up for all 4. And as always, I hope this video has helped someone.